think about the state of AI in wealth management, there is so much change that is coming so quickly to advisors, to our industry. We kind of call it the shiny object syndrome, where there's so many amazing new tools that are coming out for advisors and leaders to leverage. But you really need to start by thinking about, what do you want for yourself, for your business, and how can AI be a tool that you leverage within your toolkit to enhance your unique abilities, your unique differentiators, and solve the problems that you are facing within your business. AI is going to be a great way to help wealth management firms scale. The first and obviously easiest, in my opinion, implementation of it is from an operational perspective. It's great to start small by helping your members of your team and advisors understand how AI can impact little things within their lives. So things like asking your questions, helping them to understand how they can use AI to ask great questions to their clients to have more impactful client conversations. It can also help from the perspective of note takers. So our belief is that if you're not using AI from a note-taking perspective, you're already falling behind from an AI perspective, because it helps you have a better, more personalized interaction with your client, follow up faster, get things done faster, and communicate more effectively across your team. It will also help advisors better understand data, opportunities within their business that they have not been able to capitalize on because they just don't have the time before. So things like age-based notifications, proactive planning initiatives can easily be uncovered by leveraging AI. And it can also help to solve the problem of multiple data entry. So where team members right now are entering data into multiple different systems, leveraging AI to push that across multiple systems, leveraging AI to ensure that the pieces of information you need to update are done seamlessly and automatically is an amazing way to free up time from an operational perspective so you can do more proactive things with your clients. As leaders of wealth management firms, we really need to be setting the stage within our organizations around how to leverage AI. And it really goes back to understanding who you want to be authentically and who you want the firm to be authentically. But AI, from the perspective of leadership, needs to start from understanding AI at its core and how it can positively impact your business. So we all read a book called The AI-Driven Leader, written by Jeff Woods. And it's a great book to understand how AI can support you as a leader and also support your organization. And then begin to think of AI as a collaborator. We use AI for strategic business planning, to ask questions about how to solve a problem. And while it can't always be very, very specific to yourself, if you start to use AI and have it start to interview you versus just asking it a question, it helps you really think bigger. It helps you think more strategically. And then when you can tell stories to your team about how AI helped you solve a problem or write a more effective email or work through a situation, they take those stories and they can implement it within their working lives, within their personal lives, and they start to see these little wins. And then as your team members come to you with joy and excitement around, I did this in AI, I solved this problem, start to share that story across the organization so that people can see AI not as something that will replace them, but something that will enhance them, will help them have better relationships, will help them do their jobs more effectively and have more meaningful impact on the people and clients that they serve, because AI can take away a lot of those mundane tasks that don't get people excited anymore. So as leaders, I think we got to show up excited about it. We have to be really responsible around it. So ensuring that data security and the right compliance and legal and policies are in place to protect our teams, but also have people get excited and share exciting stories around how AI is going to make our lives better and enhance our human connections.